Hallo, liebe Logo-Anwender.
Dear Logo users, today I would like to show you how to create a connection between the software Logo Soft Comfort and a Logo device, even if you don't know what addresses have been assigned in Logo. For the purpose of our example, I have connected a Logo here on my PC, for which I have no information at all about its IP addresses. How can I access Logo in a case like this? We will open Logo Soft Comfort and try to create a connection to Logo. I want to download the program from this Logo device. A dialog box for selecting an interface and entering the target address opens. If the IP address of the Logo device is unknown, then we can tell the software scan the network for an available Logo device. As we can see, a Logo device with the IP address 192.168.6.14 is found. We click on that and check if the IP address for the target device was applied. And then we click Test to check the Logo connection. The software will automatically make all the necessary settings on the PC if the Logo device cannot be reached. And don't worry, all previous settings will be automatically recovered once you close Logo Soft Comfort. We can see a message here that says that the Ethernet card of the PC and the Logo device are not on the same network. That means that the software will make all the necessary changes. I acknowledge the message with yes. And after a few seconds, we will see the IP address given to the PC interface by the software. This message we also acknowledge with yes. After a few more seconds, a check mark will be set here, and I can now upload the program from Logo. There is another very nice feature, the address book. I can add addresses to the address book when scanning the Logo IP addresses. The advantage here is that I can assign a name to any address that will later allow me to select the right Logo without having to remember a lengthy IP address. Let's now upload the program from Logo and visualize it in the software on the PC. That completes the process. As you can see, creating a connection to a Logo device without knowing its settings is easy. The same option is also available for the network visualization. I switch to a network project and press the button for going online. After a few seconds, all available nodes, which can be more than one, like in my case here, will be visualized. With a right-click and Upload, I can now transfer the program from the selected Logo to the PC, and the program is now included in the network project. Here too, in network mode, all settings needed to connect to the Logo device will be done automatically by the software. It is very easy to access Logo with Logo Soft Comfort if the IP settings are unknown. Logo, simply ingenious, simply more.